Have your parents ever asked you, hey, if Joe jumped off a cliff, would you do it too? Have you ever thought about trying to say something cool so you can fit in with everybody else?
This is called conformity, where we adjust our behaviors or our ways of thinking towards some group standards.
The first type of conformity is called compliance, and this is where an individual conforms to the majority publicly in spite of not really agreeing with them privately. This can be seen in Ash's line experiment, which we'll get to later in the video. The second type of conformity is internalization. Internalization always involves public and private conformity. A person publicly changes their behavior to fit in with the group while also agreeing with them privately. This is the deepest level of conformity where the beliefs of the group become part of the individual's own belief system. This means the change in behavior is permanent. This can be seen in Scherer's autokinetic experiment. The third type of conformity is identification. Individuals conform to the expectations of a social role, for example, a nurse or a police officer. It is similar to compliance as there does not have to be a change in private opinion. A very good example would be Phyllis Zimbardo's Stanford prison experiment. This is a very controversial study of how people, specifically students, will conform to social roles given to them and act in a completely different manner.
As individuals, we tend to conform to avoid rejection or to gain social approval amongst friends or certain groups.
Okay guys, did you watch the new episode of Keeping Up with the Kardashians? I thought the new episode was 11 out of 10. What did you think?
It was great.
Kim, you're doing amazing, sweetie.
Push this knee out.
Hot.
That's push.
Yeah, it was amazing. It was an amazing show.
People tend to conform to be right and provide the correct information to agree with others.
Okay guys, so I gathered you all here today to do this experiment. I want you guys to say which one of these correspond with this one. Okay?
Sí.
A.
Cool. So here's the second one. I want you guys to distinguish which one relates more to this from these.
A.
B.
Okay, so last experiment, I want you guys to distinguish which one relates way more to this one from these three, okay?
B.